Hello Aries, Sun, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Kung ano mensahe ni Aries ay energy of the Kong. An exciting event is coming your way, Aries. Kung ano man ito, it's going to make you so excited. Yung vibration ninyo, frequency ninyo will be high. Yung ganon. Kaya that could be anything. That could be related to your achievements, to your accomplishments. Siguro may mga goals kayo dito na makakamit nyo na. Yung ganon, ano. This could be anything. This could be okasyon. Maaaring okasyon na mga isa-celebrate ninyo. So this is definitely an exciting event. Okay? We have the energy of the feather. Someone you know is undependable and insincere. Ayan, madidiscover ninyo yan sa ngayon. Maaaring pinagkatiwalaan ninyo ang taong ito. Pero sa ngayon, madidiscover ninyo na hindi naman pala siya mapagkakatiwalaan talaga. Hindi siya sincere sa'yo, no? Maaring kaibigan nyo to, maaring person ninyo to, no? Something like that. So, what else? We have cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. So, this is such a beautiful energy. Kasi, parang divinely guided kayo, no? Divinely guided, protected, and guarded kayo. So this could be your angels, the rest of your spirit team protecting you, no? From negativity, no? Negativity na maaaring nandiyan sa paligid ninyo na hindi ninyo, mga bagay, pangyayari, sitwasyon na hindi ninyo makontrol. Okay? We have tiger doing something risky or taking a chance. Siguro dito meron kayong gagawin something na hindi ito yung comfort zone ninyo. Hindi ito yung cup of tea ninyo, kumbaga. Pero ngayon, maglalakas kayo ng loob na gawin. Maglalakas na loob kayo na mag-take chances kayo on those things, alright? We have purses. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Ayan, this is a beautiful reminder para sa inyo na pay attention to your finances. Kasi siguro walang balanse, maaaring ganon. So, hindi siguro ninyo namomonitor ang in and out ng pera ninyo, something like that. Kaya kailangan na mag-pay attention kayo. Okay? We have a fair woman. Yan, dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. So, this fair woman could be anyone sa buhay ninyo, Aries. Maaaring boss ninyo to, no? Maaaring, kasi parang foreigner to si fair woman. Maaaring nagtatrabaho siya sa ibang bansa, no? Or maaaring nagtatrabaho siya dito. At ninyo siya, boss ninyo, posible din na kayo yung nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, kaya yung boss ninyo din ay si fair woman. Posible din na si fair woman also is your person. Maaaring siya itong undependable and insincere, no? That could be also asawa ninyo. For some of you, maaaring asawa ninyo yan, girlfriend ninyo yan, maaaring ganon ang ganap. So, what else? We have work, achievement, and success. Ayan. So, posible na ang achievement ninyo dito, yung tagumpay ninyo is work-related, no? So, maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito mayroon ng accomplishment or achievement sa trabaho. Maaaring yung goal ninyo sa trabaho, proyekto, task na binigay sa inyo sa trabaho, maaaring yan ay matatapos nyo na, no? Ma-accomplish nyo na sa ngayon. What else? We have elephant. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Ayan. So, maaring biyahe nga ito, no? This could be physical travel for some of you, and this could be a long distance travel. Okay? So, maaring, malayo-layong biyahe ninyo. Posible din na this is, mental travel for some of you. Siguro meron kayong iniisip, dinidiskarte, ina-strategize, or maaari din na yung mental travel na to is about your plans or intentions dito sa physical travel ninyo. So, posibleng ganun din ang sitwasyon. We have a shield. You need to defend yourself Aries. So, siguro meron dito mga sitwasyon, lalo-lalo siguro dito na someone you know, undependable and sincere. Maybe this energy is related to this, na kailangan mong depensahan ang sarili ninyo. Okay? Siguro meron kayong mga pag-uusap na gagawin dito and you need to defend yourself. You need to defend your opinion, your position, something like that. Okay? We have bird flying, news is on the way, merong balitang parating, and yung vibe ng card na to looks like a vibrant energy. So most likely this is good news coming in para sa inyo, Aries. We have fly, period of ill health and depression. This could still be related to this energy. Kaya nga siguro, posible na yung mental travel na to, is related to that. Siguro, nadidepress kayo, nalulungkot kayo dito sa sitwasyon na to because maybe nag-invest kayo dyan nagkaroon kayo ng emotional investment sa taong yan. Kaya, nalungkot kayo na madidiscover ninyo or discover ninyo na very insincere pala yung taong yan and undependable, no? Kaya siguro, there is great sadness dito na mararanasan kayo, no? So, we have table, there is hard work ahead. Ayan, so, kailangan ninyong pagtrabahuan, kailangan ninyong mag-hard work, no? Sa kung ano man ang bagay na to. This could be related to literal na trabaho ninyo, work ninyo, career, negosyo, relationship, no? Maaaring yung relationship ninyo with this fair woman. Kaya you really need to work harder para mas maging maganda, mas maging maayos, or kung meron mang mga gusot, ay maayos, no? Something like that. So, we have nest. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Ayan. So, siguro, family-oriented kayo, focused kayo sa inyong pamilya, Aries, kaya, kayo, napakaganda lang na above anything else, above anyone else, yung pamilya, yung lagi ninyong priority. So, good luck po. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Una mensahe ni Leo ay wall misunderstanding. So, meron kayong misunderstanding with someone dito or magkakaroon pa lang ng misunderstanding with someone. What else? We have final period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Ayan. So, this is a time of, siguro yung frustration na to is regarding with this misunderstanding ninyo with another person, no? So, posibleng ganito ang sitwasyon noon. But there are lessons to be learned, no? For every situation sa buhay natin, regardless of tawag dito, regardless if that is something na nakakainis or regardless if there is something na maganda, ano man ang sitwasyon sa buhay natin, there is always a lesson there, no, na nararanasan natin or napipick up natin. So, we have scissors, disappointment in some affairs. Ayan. So, meron kayong mga disappointment na nararanasan, na experience at this time. That could be in any area of life. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But you are definitely disappointed, frustrated. So, may mga gusto kayo dito mangyari or mga gusto kayong gawin na hindi nangyayari, na hindi ninyo nagagawa. No? Forces working against you, Leo, mag-iingat kayo. May mga tao dito na hindi natutuwa, no, sa inyo. Merong mga binabalak na hindi maganda siguro sa inyo dito. Pagdasal ninyo yan. Magtiwala lang kayo sa universe, magtiwala kayo sa inyong mga angels because wala namang masamang balak, no, towards someone na nangyayari talaga, na nagsasucceed. Kasi 'di ba, very powerful ang law of attraction. Now, law of attraction is always at play. karma is always at play. Kaya kung meron man mga taong nagbabalak ng masama sa inyo or hindi maganda towards you, rest assured, no, na you will be divinely protected, no, guarded, ganon. Kasi hindi papayagan ng Panginoon, ano, na maghari ang kasamaan, 'di ba? Sometimes nga, 'di ba, yung mga taong nag-iisip ng masama towards other people, minsan hindi pa nila nagagawa, iniisip pa lang nila, pinagpaplanuhan pa lang nila kung ano ang gagawin nila towards other people, nangyayari na sa kanila. 'Di ba? May mga ganon. At kaya magdasal kayo for your safety, for your protection, at magdasal kayo. Pagdasal nyo din yung mga taong kung sino man ang mga to, kung hindi ninyo man kilala or kung sino man ang mararamdaman din ninyo yan, no? If there is something na merong nagbabalak ng hindi or nag-iisip ng hindi maganda towards you, just pray for them because they don't know what they are doing, okay? It will bounce back, no? It will bounce back to them. Dolphin, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. Ayan, so merong perang parating, may flow, may money flow, no, na dadating sa inyo dito, Leo. This is something na siguro investment ninyo in the past. This could be return of investment. This could be pautang ninyo in the past. Meron ng magbabayad, something like that, no? Maaari din na meron kayong ginawaan ng mabuti in the past and now this is the time for them to pay back, no? So posibleng ganun din ang sitwasyon. The two-faced friend. Ayan, meron kayong two-faced friend, Leo. Maaaring ito ngayon yung madidiscover ninyo na akala ninyo kaibigan ninyo ang taong ito, pero hindi naman pala. Hindi naman pala. Ngayon pala, kayo ang kakagatin nito. No? Posibleng isa ito si two-faced friend sa mga forces na working against you, no, na nagbabalak ng hindi maganda towards you. Maaring isa to. Kaya be careful, no? Be careful with whom you're dealing with. Be careful kung sino yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan ninyo. Be careful with whom you are talking to, whom you are sharing personal information, no? Wag kayong masyadong nagtitiwala sa mga tao at nagsishare ng kung ano ang mga personal na bagay, importanteng impormasyon tungkol sa'yo dahil that could be used against you, okay? So we have a rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Ayan, hayaan nyo na to. Kung kilala nyo man ito, iwasan nyo na lang, no? Iwasan nyo na lang. Kung masasalubong nyo naman ito, kung mai-encounter nyo pa lang ito, dead man na lang, no? Keep your mouth shut na lang para wala kang, alam mo yan, wala itong marinig from you at hindi mag-cause ng kahit anong friction between you and this person. Kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng tao, hindi na yan binibigyan ng oras, panahon, attention, no? What else? We have Apple, temptation will test you. Ayan, so most likely posibleng temptation yan sa mga bagay na dati ninyong ginagawa, pero maaring bawal na sa inyo, maaring hindi na ninyo pwedeng gawin, something like that, okay? So ayan, so maaring merong magkaroon ng mag-tempt sa inyo na muli gawin ninyo kung ano man yung dati ninyong ginagawa na hindi na ninyo ginagawa or iniiwasan na sana ninyo, right? There are opportunities that are waiting for you, Leo. You don't know yet kung ano to kasi masarado pa yung door, but definitely there are opportunities na naghihintay sa inyo sa ngayon. We have career. Ayan, so that could be related to career, no? So this could be a career opportunity dito, Leo, na parating sa inyo. So that's exciting. We have love. Ayan, so you must be in love sa ngayon, no? Maaaring love is oozing sa inyo sa ngayon. Maybe you are surrounded with love. Maaaring ikaw ang in love or maaaring ikaw yung nagpapakita ng pagmamahal towards someone, or maybe someone is siya yung nagpapakita ng pagmamahal sa iyo, right? What else? We have grasshopper. Situations in the balance that require careful handling. Ayan. So, if this message resonates with you, you know what it is. Now, you know what it is. Na kailangan ninyo dito ng maingat na approach. Kailangan ninyo dito ng masusing pag-iisip, pagdidiskarte before you jump into a conclusion, before you jump into a decision. Alright? What else? We have temporary situation, no? Well, lahat naman ng bagay sa buhay natin, lahat naman ng sitwasyon is temporary, di ba? Kaya kung ano man itong temporary situation, this is just going to fade away, no? Very soon. That could be that misunderstanding with someone. This could be your disappointment with your frustration. That could be that, no? Na kung ano man ang hindi ninyo pagkakaintindihan with another person, that will fade away, no? Magkakaayos na kayo dyan. Magkakausap kayo, yung gano'n, no? So, good luck, Leo, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ni Sag. I bouquet compliments from an admirer. Ayan. So, there are magagandang pananalita siguro na makakamit kayo ngayon, Sagittarius, okay? Or maririnig from your admirer. Posible din na makatanggap kayo dito ng something, no? A token or anything, flowers, no? That could be anything na maaring material na bagay na matanggap din ninyo as a compliment from your admirer. Happiness, magiging masayang-masaya kayo around this time. Sagittarius, that could be because of this admirer, no? Maaring ma-inspire kayo, maaaring ma-excite kayo, kaya magiging masaya, no? We have grapes, time to go out and have fun. Ayan, it's time to unwind, no? Maaaring matagal ng panahon na hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na magsaya, mag-relax, mag-unwind, get together with friends, no? Now is the time for you to go out and have fun, right? Temptation will test you. Ayan. So, maaaring merong mga temptation dito. Merong mga ginagawa kayo dati siguro na kumbaga parang bawal na kayong gumawa ng mga ganun ngayon, or mga bagay na hindi na dapat na ginagawa ninyo, or hindi na ninyo you don't need to engage in, no? Sa mga ganon, pero ngayon maaring may mga tao na magte-tempt sa iyo na gawin mong muli, maaring ganon. So, use your own discernment and judgment on that situation and how you're going to navigate that situation, okay? What else? We have wall, misunderstanding. Maaring meron kayong misunderstanding with another person around this time. We have crown, honor and respect will come to you. You earned it, no? Kaya maging masayang-masaya kayo dyan dahil sa wakas ang pinagtrabahuan ninyo ay makakamit yun na. Ang pinagtrabahuan ninyong honor and respect na makuha ninyo ay eto na, maaaring ini-enjoy nyo na, okay? We have vase, secret admirer. May compliments kayo from admirer, and this is your secret admirer. Maaring siya na to, no? Kung sino man ito magbibigay sa iyo ng something, that could be your secret admirer. Rainbow, the most difficult part of a situation is over. This is really beautiful. Maaring related ito dito sa misunderstanding ninyo with another person. Okay? So, magiging maayos na din ang lahat. Kaya pala, magiging masayang-masaya kayo dahil nga, malalampasan nyo na din kung ano man ang difficult times na to sa buhay ninyo, no? With this person. We have dogs getting together with friends. Ayan. Time to have fun, diba? And time to go out. At maaring ito na yon with your mga kaibigan. So, enjoy ninyo yan. Take care. Enemies are working against you. Marami din nag-ano sa inyo. Siguro marami din naiinggit sa inyo, or meron may hidden na galit sa inyo, or may hidden na tampo sa inyo, something like that. Posible din na kung sino man ito, this could be this, no? Na maaaring tinatry kayo. Alam mo yun, yung tatry kayong gumawa ng mga bagay na ayaw nyo nang gawin, no? Maaaring hindi nyo alam na these are your enemies, these are the people na working against you. Maaaring hindi ninyo alam, and they're going to try to tempt you, no, to lower your standards, to do something na hindi ninyo gusto, or yung tinatry na ninyong iwasan, something like that. You have Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Ayan. So, this could be someone, no, na maybe isa to sa mga enemies ninyo dito, mga tao na hindi ninyo, siguro kung yung enemies ninyo na to, ito din yung meron kayong misunderstanding, no? Posibleng gano'n, posible din naman na hindi. It's time to act, okay? Para malagpasan ninyo kung ano man ang mga difficult times, difficult situations, problema, obstacles na maaaring nararanasan ninyo. Now is the time to act towards that para maayos na ang lahat, okay? If you're thinking about something naman, may ideas, may plano kayo, maybe konkreto na din yan, handa na din kayo, then take action now, no? Iniimbitahan na kayo na ngayon na ang tamang panahon para simulan nyo na kung ano man ang gusto ninyong gawin, alright? Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business, maaring ito yung missing piece ninyo. Alright? Maaring ito ang requirement para sa inyo. Gawin na ninyo to, lalo-lalo na kung meron kayong negosyo. Be shrewd and be resourceful, especially in business. Maaring yan ang missing piece ninyo. Maaring yan ang missing link ninyo, kumbaga, ano. So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.